This is how it is when Mom comes through. Poor thing. Hey, hello. This is Mama. Our beautiful Bella. Hi, darling. Here's Daddy. Our big, beautiful Royal Standard Poodle. My goodness, look how big he is. I'm holding it from above. I'm down here with him. Whoops, I lost the laundry basket, kids. His fur, this is the reason they look so, they don't shed. This is amazing. This coat is just like a lamb's wool right here. Very tight. And anyway, there they are. This is how they are when Mom's around. I guess I'm chopped liver. Dang it, lost the laundry basket again, kids. Here you go. But anyway, if she wants to get in, she can. But yeah, this is how they are. They get all excited and running around. And yeah, Mom's I'm gonna have to go over there and clean their bedding now. Yeah, you can get in the picture. What do you want? You want me to feed you, Love Bug? Is that it? Do you want to be on film? You say, I did the work. I sure did. This is our beautiful mother. She's a beautiful red. Everybody has said that these colors would do Speed Drop Dead gorgeous, and they're right. It sure is. Look at this. Yep. Potting. Oh, that's good news, though, guys. I'm so happy to see something happen. Then we had a little constipation a couple of days ago, and I was like, no, we're not filming the puppies while they're gassy and miserable. No, that's good. Come on, guys. Everybody's got to move something. We just ate. Yes, we did. Well, once I'm out of here, Bella will get in there with them. Right now, they're clamoring like a bunch of starving kids, like they haven't had food or attention. And anyway, I'm going to get out of here and cover. I got to go get newspaper and cover up these hoo-hoo spots because that just grosses me out. Actually, you don't want to know what happens to it, but if I get out of here, it'll disappear. So I'm going to let them go. Here's Mama. Beautiful. Yes, we are. Almost 4 weeks. Don't walk in it. Oh, I'm going to throw up if you walk in it. Can't handle it. Okay. You'd think I'd be used to that by now, but I'm not. Look, isn't that sweet, though? What a pile. Can you believe all of those were inside of her within 4 weeks? This is why people should spay and neuter their pets. If they are not being bred for a purpose, this is what happens. I mean, 13 to 1 dog. All of these will be her size. I'm not kidding. Every one of these will be her size in about 4.5 to 6 months. They'll look her size. No kidding. Hi, guys. But they're wonderful, and these are hypoallergenic, and they're bred for a purpose. So I would never say that. Because you have a purpose. All of you are having strokes because your mama is here. Yep, this is how they liven up. All right, I'm gone. Bye, kids. I'll be back soon.